So it's our room tour of the Cbeebies Hotel. We're in room 643 in a Bugby room or something like that. Sorry, you'll have to forgive me there on that. So you come in, first thing you notice is it's very colourful. Yeah, my son likes it, as you can see. So you walk in here to the first room, there's kind of a window there with some characters on, TV, and then a bunk bed. My son fit in there with loads of space, he's 3, and I can just fit in there. This bed also pulls out at the bottom if you were looking for a third person. And they've got this kind of toy section here to play with. You've got the kind of the little baby bath here with the ironing board, 6 hangers for the storage space, and then some more storage space up here. The bathroom's kind of, it's all set up to be kind of child friendly, this very child friendly space, obviously, as most people are coming with children. The sink kind of is, I'm about 5'9", 5'10", it's kind of just under my waist. Decent sized bath, got some towels there, again very colourful decor. The shower gel and shampoo, we haven't had a shower yet, but in the morning I'll let you know. And the toilet there, they've got a little potty toilet there, as you can see, for the children. Then a nappy bin, a couple of cups there, and a baby bath holder there. And you walk in here, they've got the kettle with the coffee and tea and biscuits, a bottle warmer, another mirror there, chair. In here is a fridge. Decent size, you could fit quite a lot of stuff in there, excuse me. And you've got the cot there, we had to ask for that. Another TV, the lamp, and then this is what we think is a queen size bed. Really nicely decorated. Each side has got plugs, not USB though, just your kind of traditional plugs, and obviously you can control the lights and everything in the room from here. That's the same this side as well, with the storage either side. So yeah, this is the Cbeebies room. It's really nice. Got this thermostat here for some air cooling and heating. Another mirror. It's a really lovely hotel. Really super kid friendly. We just been watching entertainment, Bing and Dougie and Octonauts and all kinds. So really good. Lovely place. Lovely staff so far. And this is our room at the Cbeebies Hotel.